So yeah, that's a Capri. Really haven't done much since the last time, because it's a 1600 90 horsepower engine, and just won't start. Probably going 2 liter, something like that. Instead, I started work on the 57 4400. It's pretty damn rusty. I mean, missing some steel. I mean, parts for these are easy to make, easy to come by. Biggest problem is the engine is fucked. Stay up, you bastard. Notice a crack down there, and there was some debris behind the cover. So, and I see this. Not as standard, I hope. So it's going out. It's just fucked. Anyway, truck came with a new engine, or not new, working, sort of. So I do not want to fiddle with pulling the engine straight up, so I'll be taking off the entire front end. That's pretty much what's going to happen today, I hope. A bit stuck on there. Haven't really done this before, so just some fiddly business. Of course, there is a nut underneath. '72 Granada to V8, getting some paint job. Should be good. And we need some juice. There we go. The good stuff. The cheap stuff, anyway. 'Cause I can buy it by the can. Which is mighty practical. And yeah, I know my bench is a mess. I've been switching out some brakes and stuff like that. Boring work. Head gasket swap on my 62 diesel 88 Chevy. Still not convinced it's good, but I don't know. It's a free engine. It's fine. Got another 62 diesel in the back, so no big trauma if it dies. I just swap it out. And the picture quality shouldn't be that good. It's some Chinesium camera from eBay. That's what I got. To start. Where did I put the wrench? There we go. Just won't fit. It's fine. Seems to be fucked too. Actually coming out. Bit much for the ratchet. Yep. Rust everywhere. But this is Norway. These trucks are not uncommon, but they'll be rusty. Of course you can find good ones, but they're expensive and that's worse. So I don't make that much money. There's a couple of them down south with less severe rust issues, but pretty far away and not running. One is missing a front end, which I have, but none of the engines are good. But you know, I got a couple of 350s, 305s, 400 Cummins, a lot of fun engines basically. There should be a 15 somewhere. We'll take one of those. 15. Let's go. That is a good sign. And we'll bring a 14 and a 15 combination wrench, cause I got no idea what. You know what? Might as well. No idea what the final one is. Who even knows? You're 14, ain't you? Well, as long as you're coming out, I don't care. Probably got an extension. go. Extended. Biltema. Only the most quality tools. It's like Harbor Freight for Americans or Princess Auto, ain't it? For Canadians. That's a lot better. Yeah. Probably making a car holder out of this, so shit. Look at that bolt. Not going back in. Sorry, bub. And in time, I have a Cummins that'll be going inside. Jesus. Oh, it's not a fuel, but it's a strong little ratchet. I'll tell you what. Tires are all shot. Have some new old stock ones that should be better, but what's the term? Not terrible, not great. Just like the summer weather. Of course, this one is not a 13, it's a ½ inch. But when it's, you know, like that, not 12, it's fine. What are you doing now? You're being a little bastard, ain't you? But it's coming off. Fine thing with these old trucks. Usually not that terrible to dismantle, even after decades of neglect and abuse. I do believe this truck is from a fish packing plant, which explains all the rust. We use a lot of salt on those trucks. There was a parts truck with this, and the cab was just gone. I have the front window and the front end, which is a little bit better than this. The rest is gone. Get her done. Yeah. Other ones had welded tabs, so this is aftermarket. This damn sand. Need to get the driveway resurfaced, as this is not optimal. Bitch to drive in, bitch to work in. Yeah, a little more of my cars. 68 Chevelle, 85 Sierra, 85 Mercedes, and an 88 Blazer. So yeah, getting to it. Now, not sure where the rest of the bolts are. They're in there. 4 of them here. Yeah.